Hello, it's the Putrid Painter coming live to you from the mean streets of, well, it's actually quite nice here, but I got a box which I'm going to open up, and it has some cool stuff in there, so let's check it out. All right, I cut open the box. Let's see what's inside. It's going to be very cool. We've got a lot of cardboard and a box. A box in a box. Villainy Ink starter set. Really cool. Really cool. Got some nice enamel washes. I can't wait to use these on my next project. Because, as you know, big fan of the grimdark style. So, yeah. Awesome. And we got some candy. Yay! That's always good. Anyway. Hello and welcome to another Putrid Ramblings. This is going to be a little short update video. Just show you what I'm doing with the channel and what I'm painting at the moment. As you can see in the intro, I finally have the Villainy inks from the Grimdark Compendium, which I'm really curious to try out. The model I want to try them out on is the Harbinger of Decay. One of my favorite models that GW has ever released. I got it built up, it's all ready, it's primed, I just need to start on it. But I don't know, it's kind of like an intimidating model. It looks really cool and I really want to make it as nice and gross as possible. And I think these enamel inks are really going to help. So yeah, definitely I might do a tutorial / review video in one, or I'll make two separate videos. I'm not really sure, but definitely looking forward to testing these out. I did test them out on a little test model that I've made for the Slaves to Darkness Chaos Warriors. So as you can see, here is the model. I used a couple of the enamel washes on his cloak. I basically went for a very bright dead skin look and then just played around with some of the washes, and it really they work as a little different than the like streaking grime wash, but so it'll take me a moment to figure out what to do with this exactly, but I have all these different colors and they look really nice, so it's going to be cool, and I'm going to let you guys know what I think of the final product, and I think I'll probably be using these quite a bit. So what else is going on within the hobby? Of course, the new Ageofsigmar is coming. 4th edition. I think by now we know the release date, which should be, I think, in 3 weeks on the moment of recording. So yeah, I am definitely looking forward for the starter box. The Skaven look really cool. Stormcast, I never really like Stormcast that much, but it might be fun to maybe try out because of the new Spearhead game mode. It might actually be fun just to make all these small little armies, and you know, just it'll be some good fodder for some more painting tutorials. Well, getting the starter box, of course, means you get like the rule book and all the cards and all that stuff. So I'm definitely looking forward to purchasing that. Probably not price-wise. It's probably going to be very expensive, but we'll see. So yeah, they've been dropping all the new rules for the armies. Usually I don't really care about the rules that much. As far as if I'm looking at the armies that I am playing currently, I don't think there's that much difference. Like Maggotkin of Nurgle might be a bit different, but the Gloomspite Gits are kind of the same, I think, and everything is a little bit more leaner and more, well, 4th edition-ified, for less of a better word. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it plays, the new edition. I'm definitely looking forward to trying it out. And because of a new edition, I was really looking forward to starting a new army, and I was really interested in the Skaven. I still am, because the models look fantastic, but I got the new Dark Oath army set. And I definitely would like to paint up a Slaves to Darkness army because, well, the models look really cool. You got your Dark Oath, all the new models are awesome. The Chaos Warriors, you got all these big monsters and everything, so definitely a lot to look forward to. I'm actually preparing, I already painted my first unit of Chaos Warriors, and I'm now preparing the tutorial video. So I just need to edit it. I got everything finished, I just need to edit the video itself. And then when it comes to the Warriors, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to show you a sneak peek right here. As you can see, they are not the normal, like, dark brushed metal that GW paints. They're a little bit more like a dark blue. Very cold colors, which I think looks a little bit more interesting armor-wise. And honestly, the tutorial I'm making for Chaos Warriors could easily be used as a Night Lords video because the colors do really match, I think, for the Night Lords. You know, looking forward to it. I think Nurgle might not approve, you know, because as a disciple of Nurgle, but I already have a lot of Maggot kin already. I might in the future paint more stuff up. I could use more Blight Lords on the big flies, or maybe a Magath Lord. You know, that's always up for, I can always work on that. But, yeah, you know, Slaves to Darkness is coming in preparation to the 4th edition of Age of Sigmar, so definitely be prepared for a lot of those tutorials. If I look for stuff for 40k, I'm still working on some stuff for my Death Guard army, but because I'm using the same techniques that I already made tutorials for, I'm not really making new tutorials for the Death Guard. Currently, yeah, World Eaters are pretty much done, and I don't really have a... yeah, I'm not really looking forward to another army at the moment. Like, I was really into Adeptus Mechanicus. I made some really fun videos for it. They're really cool models to paint, but in the game, I did not really enjoy it that much. It was really difficult to play them, especially because I had all these small separate units because, you know, there's so much variety in that army. It was just fun painting up all these different units. But that doesn't play well in the game because you need certain units. You need them a lot. And yeah, I don't really have that. So that's, I don't know, that's kind of a shame. Maybe if they'll update the army, because I do think there's a new rule set is coming for new missions, and I think they're going to do something with the Adeptus Mechanicus. So maybe I could enhance that army because I still have some things to paint. I got like the big robots, the Castellan robots to paint. I got the rangers on the robot dog horses. So, you know, there's still some stuff I would love to paint, but currently I wasn't really interested in playing with them. And other than that, I have been playing a lot of 40k with Death Guard. Like, I did a whole league with World Eaters. I actually came into the half finales, basically, which for me that was pretty cool. But I find the World Eaters, it's a very fun army to play with. It's also very limiting. So now they're gonna start a new league with the new rules pack coming, and I want to I want to get better at playing Death Guard. So it's gonna be 1500 point league. I now have a basis for a 1500 point list, and I'm just tweaking it. I'm playing quite a lot of games. I played playing against Necron is still very difficult, no matter what I put in there. I played a game against Drukhari, or the Dark Eldar, whatever they're called now, and that went very well. But that was also the other guy learning the army, so I think next time will probably be a lot more difficult. But let's just say the Foul Blightspawn, which gave my Plague Marines the fight first rule, really helped. Otherwise they would have been wiped by a unit of witches. But because they were able to fight first, I was able to basically decimate the unit and got control of the mid section of the board, which was really in my favor. But yeah, I'm tweaking my list. I'm still working on a third Blight Hauler, third conversion. Here's a little preview shot of what it looks like at the moment. How will the Death Guard do in the league? you know, I'll keep you guys updated. But for now, this is kind of it. I'm just, you know, working on some stuff, just preparing for Age of Sigmar 4th edition. The Harbinger of Decay is coming. I just need to just start on it. But, you know, people that are either designers or illustrators know that there's nothing more scarier than a blank canvas. Sometimes it's just very intimidating. You just need to start on it. And for some reason with the Harbinger of Decay, it's kind of difficult to get it started because I have an idea in mind and I'm really I don't know, worried it won't turn out as good as what's in my mind. So that happens a lot. It's a thing. So yeah, more stuff is coming, and I want to thank you all for checking out my channel. I get a lot of very, very nice comments on my tutorials. People seem to be really inspired by it and starting their own armies or finally figuring out how to paint that one model, which is awesome. So yeah, this is it for now. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.